Letter number 42. To Omar ibn Abi Salma, Makhzumi, foster son of the Holy Prophet, from al-Mu'mineen, Salma, who was his governor of Bahrain, but whom he removed and replaced by Nu'man ibn Ajlan Zoraki. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Now, I have posted Nu'man ibn Ajlan Zoraki at Bahrain and have released you from that position without any blame or reproach on you, because you managed the governorship well and discharged the obligations. Therefore, proceed to me while you are neither suspected nor rebuked, neither blamed nor guilty. I have just intended to proceed towards the recalcitrant of Syria and desired that you should be with me because you are among those on whom I rely in fighting the enemy and erecting the pillars of religion, if Allah wills.